got BassJunkie 2020.
BassJunkie 2020, one of my supporters. All right, awesome, man. Wow, you've done some work on this.
Yeah.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
All right, we're at the Sundown show with BassJunkie. Wow, you've done a lot of work back here.
Yeah. It's got a wall right there.
Yep.
That's 3/4 inch perch, then a wall of 2x4s, then the 4th order. Then I kill matted.
Wow. So no flex right here probably. Most of it's amp.
And I got the fans that come on.
Sweet.
Keep everything cool.
All right.
40 amp hour lithium, MDAK, and a little Rockwell HM.
Nice.
So I got other, mid-range amp. I haven't had a chance to look at though. And that door sticks a little bit.
So this is YouTube.
Got BassJunkie 2020.
BassJunkie 2020, one of my supporters. All right, awesome, man. Wow, you've done some work on this.
Yeah.
I can tell.
All right, we'll check it out.
Yeah, man. Have you ever got meter results out of it?
Yeah, I have. It done a 151.1 at 5,846 RMS.
Wow, okay.
Oh, that's why.
So is this like a, what is it, a 2-to-1 or what's your ratio?
It's a 2-to-1 ratio.
Okay.
3 cubes sealed, 6.6 cubes ported.
All right.
And they need something to cool the subs down though, because it gets so freaking hot.
So you had to invert them.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, why this phone ain't coming on? It must have died. I Bluetooth to that one. I'll have to fix that later, but whatever.
And you got a brace here too. That helps, I'm sure.
I made this.
How'd you do that? It's pretty cool.
I made this brace as flagpole mounts.
Okay.
They didn't have the chrome ones, so I just got these ones. And then I took and jacked the roof up with a hydraulic jack. And then I cut the piece of steel, the pipe, galvanized pipe, 1/2 inch. I already had it painted, of course, and then closed it in on it.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
The jack helps. I've done that too.
Yeah.
Yep.
And this is birch up here. It's got a sunroof. I sealed it off.
Yes, sir.
It.
All right.
Let me check it out now.
It's the woman in it right now.
Yeah, man.
Superstar, got our eyes on my arm. Take that bitch home, cause we had her for the night. Legend in the
subs, I just freshly reconed them myself.
Really?
I did it on my channel.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Awesome.
they're not even broke in right now.
Oh, you still breaking them in? And there's a lot of pressure coming out of it.
Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah.
I designed that port myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's all right. I want to rebuild it, but you know,
That's the base of junk. That's just how we do it.
I'll never be done with it.
Yeah, always a project.
All right, thanks, Jacob.
Yeah, man. Thanks for supporting and watching, man.
Oh, yeah,
Appreciate
man.
it. Good job.
I love your channel.
Thank you. You have a good day, man. Subscribe, everybody.
Punk ain't in there right, man. Yeah, man, ain't hitting that ride. Hitting that ride. Hitting that ride. Yeah, man, ain't hitting that ride. Hitting that ride. Hitting that ride. I be running that thing. Pussy all day. Like cocaine. Something in that pussy like a new man. So don't take it like this. Pussy so good, but I like it. Like Michael Johnson, relay. She keep my arms strong with a DJ. Fuck me in the booth, no DJ. Take a silly fucking pussy on eBay. She take my dick on road. Yeah, she ain't never got fucked like a marathon. Got a truck off Patron and that carry on. As soon as I let it, her carry on. She in love, I'm mad, and if the man find out, it's a kid. Your man ain't hitting that ride, hitting that ride, hitting that ride. Your man ain't hitting that ride. If you give me that pussy, I'll be in it all night.
Pussy on eBay.
Goose and tonic. On me, cookies must be that super tight. It's super stunning. Got our eyes on my arm. Bitch home, cause we had it for the night, man. Every time.
Pussy on eBay.
Yeah, man. Goose and tonic. Bitch home, cause we had it for the night, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.